So you might be thinking, why do I have a picture of Cambodia? And I went to Cambodia twice. I've been there twice, and this was a village that we went to with the kids on the right-hand side, and we played games with these kids. But what is interesting is that a lot of these kids don't eat a lot of red meat, and so when I was speaking to the missionaries, one of the things that these kids struggle with is anemia or lack of iron. And so, for people in Cambodia, um, sport and exercise is actually a luxury. Sport's really a luxury. And when it comes to exercise, one of their beliefs is, okay, when I can feel my heart beating, then that's dangerous and I need to stop. And so, a very different culture. But if they are starting to do some things, in fact, in this particular village, the church leader who was building a church in the village talked about building a sports complex as well as one way to attract people to the church. So again, that's a pretty modern thought for somebody that's doing this work. But Cambodia, nutritional deficiencies, working with athletes there would be very challenging. One, because they don't eat red meat, not because they don't want to, but it's too expensive, and most people cannot afford red meat. So just a little side note to iron.